Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid Titanium. The titanium trim level of the Fusion is the highest you can get. It's also hybrid, so you've got eco-friendly here. Intelligent access on the door handles, remote entry keypad, blind spot on the mirrors. You've got power window controls and memory seating on the side here. Leather seating on the interior with power lumbar and support for the passenger and driver. Getting in the Fusion here, you've got a dual screen split. Go ahead and start it up. Heads up display there. You've got a little button over here that says ready to drive because the hybrid is very quiet, so sometimes you won't know if it's actually on. Speedometer and trip odometer on the side here with vehicle information and settings with driver's assist. It says blind spot, cross traffic, cruise control, all the safety settings you need. On the right, you've got some efficiency options over here. Lots of menus. On the steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise controls on the left here, and then hands-free on the right. You've also got lane keep assist on the steering blinker stalk. Sync sound system with electronic climate control, dual zone climate control, navigation, satellite radio, Bluetooth for your phone, and many other features. Your climate controls consist of heated and cooled seats for the passenger and driver, heated steering wheel as well, and dual zone. Down there you've got a cubby with two USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. Your center console here, you've got your shift lever, electric parking brake, eco mode, and hill assist with two cup holders in the center. Up top you do have a little sunroof to give you some more light in the cabin of the Fusion. Coming around to the back of the Fusion, you get a nice little spoiler up top here. Rear sensors all around the back of the Fusion. Backup cameras right above the license plate cover, and beside that is the trunk button. The Fusions have a lot of trunk space for such a compact sedan. You can fit any bags, groceries, anything you might need to in the back of this Fusion. Stepping into the back seat of the Fusion, you do have leather seating in the rear. Very comfortable. You've got a cubby behind the front seat here to put anything you might want to. You've got two climate control fans down there, and then a 12-volt outlet to charge any devices you have in the back seat. And your center console has a armrest with two cup holders in it. Convenient for your rear passengers. Dome light up top as well. Lots of space back here. And then coming back up around to the front of the Fusion, you've got LED headlights and fog lights up front. Chrome plating around the grille makes it look nice with the gray here. All around a sharp-looking family sedan, so come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor, book you into this pre-owned Ford Fusion. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.